focus on yourself first. So here are a few tips that you can do before you step into the crisis situation. So the first thing is looking inward and grounding. And this is just if you have not a lot of time, you just close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths. And really exhale to your feet and just step in. That's really the very first and this is really the very smallest thing you can do. And I want you to get trained to do minimally this. Minimal 3 deep breaths, bringing the energy down to your feet before acting, before taking action in any given situation. So, and the goal is to bring your own energy down so that you don't put extra fuel on the fire that you want to extinguish. Okay. So then there is the next one is centering and counting. And why did I put counting there? So counting numbers. You have to know that the emotional brain and the logical brain, they compete with each other for space in the brain. And this means that the emotional brain cannot stay online together with the logical brain. So to prevent that we get emotional, so that our emotions build up, we are going to count. We are going to bring our logical brain online so that the emotional brain cannot be active. Do you understand? I will do a demonstration on how to do this. Maybe do this exercise with me. Stand up. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to inhale 3 times and bring down the energy with our arms. And while we are doing this, we are going to count from 10 to 0 backwards in our head. So I will show you how I do this. So I breathe in, I exhale 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this one time. You count in your head and you exhale. Inhale and exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Now, next time, instead of going from 10 to 1, we're going to pick a number higher. Let's say 13, and we go down from 13 to 1. Okay? Breathe in and exhale. 13, 12, 11, 10. And the next number will be even a different number. Let's say 16. And inhale. And 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. All right. So we did not take longer than, let's say, a minute. And you can do this fast. You don't even have to do it in a slow way. The importance is that you change the numbers and that you go backward. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can do this and be emotional at the same time. You have to challenge your logical brain, and you have to push your logical brain to be online. This is why we go backwards, and this is why we change the starting number every time. Could you feel that can you feel that you're more grounded now, or that you are more in your body now after doing this exercise? For me, it's the case. I feel my legs more, and I feel more embodied after just doing this like 3 times, bringing the energy down. The next one is the vagal hack. This one takes a little bit longer, but this one is a very, very effective way to switch your body from stress to relaxation. And the vagal nerve is a nerve in our brain that is responsible for activating stress response and deactivating stress response. And sometimes the stress response stays activated in our body. So, and then at that time, a vagal hack, so hacking the vagal nerve, is a very effective way to get back to relaxation. This is something you can do either before you go into a crisis situation or afterwards. Afterwards is also a very good moment to do this, to come back, to really land again into your body after the situation. So the vagal hack, it goes like this. You just sit straight. You tilt your head to one side and try to really tilt your ear to your shoulder. And then you look up to the other side. And then we are going to count to 90. So, and I'm going really fast. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Breathe in and out. And this gives you a beautiful nervous system reset into relaxation. This gives the signal to your brain, to your body, to your nervous system. It's okay, it's safe, you can relax now. Then we have butterfly wings, and the butterfly wings is one that you can do with children. They really like doing it. And what you do is you cross your hands and you tap one hand and then the other hand here under the clavicle. So really under, tap. And just breathe in and out. It is not together. It's one and then the other, one and then the other. Yeah. So it's activating the two parts of your nervous system. It's a kind of calibration, and it really helps. And it doesn't need to be very strong. It's really ticking. It's like ticking on a window, activating and suiting your nervous system. And because you do it one and then the other, you're just activating one side and the other side, one side. And this calibrates your nervous system and brings it back into balance. Under your clavicle, just small little taps. And then breathe in, breathe out. So, and you're welcome to combine these hacks for nervous system regulation. And the last one is just zipping up your energy. So you just take your zipper and you just close your energy field like this. Maybe you've seen that already happening, like on a tournament, for instance, when they they do a judo tournament or a shiatsu jiu-jitsu tournament, that before they start the fight, the contestants, they have to bow. And sometimes you see them doing like this. And what they do is actually bringing the energy zipper of the opponent down, trying to influence the energy bubble of the opponent. So we just close your zipper. Yeah, close your zipper. So before stepping into a stress situation, we take a few deep breaths, we count, we close our zipper, we do the vagal hack. It's depending on where you are, in what situation you are. It's depending on how much time you find for yourself that you can take before stepping into your crisis situation. These methods that I've given you now, the demonstrations I've given you, try them all on your own, and that you practice them for a whole week, and come back to me and tell me, do you feel a difference? Does it do something for you or not? And let me know. I'm really curious if you can sense the difference. It's important that you train it in advance, out of a crisis situation, so that you don't have to think when your crisis situation is there. You will know what to do, and it will be your body will recognize your hack, and you will have a lot faster result. So for our next step, let's dive into a crisis situation, and let's look at what we can do.